guys, so today we are going to go ahead and do our revising and editing. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Fridays. So we're going to revise and edit using cups. So I want to talk about revising first. So we use arms. So when we think of that, so when A means add words or sentences. So maybe you didn't have enough details, or maybe you thought of a detail now that you would like to add for one of your main ideas. So you could definitely go back and add some sentences or words. Maybe you need to remove some words or sentences. So maybe you realize that you said a certain word too many times, and remember that can get boring. Or maybe you said a word twice and didn't mean to, so you go ahead and remove it or scratch it out. You can move sentence around. So maybe you mentioned a detail that maybe went to main idea 1 and not main idea 2. You can move that around, or you can substitute words or sentences for others. So if you've been saying recycle, what are some other ways that you can say instead of recycle? So substitute words so we don't become repetitive. So that is the way to revise. Now for edit, you are checking for cups. Do you have your capitalizations at the beginning of the sentences? If you mentioned names or places, make sure you have that capitalized. Check your usage. Again, check that if you mention something that's singular, your verb should be plural. Punctuation. There should be periods in your paper, guys. Remember, if I am the reader and there's no punctuations, no periods, I will most likely get really tired and winded because I could not stop or pause because there was no periods. So make sure you have periods or questions if you have a question mark, if that's how you started off your sentence. Check for spelling again. So look for a dictionary. Your iPad has a dictionary. You can use a book dictionary. And also if you are typing, you can see that right here, guys. For an example, it has a red line under here. So that means that this is most likely misspelled. So I can click on that and it will fix it for me. So, but always double check that that is the word, because sometimes it may try to spell something. If you misspelled it completely, then it may spell something else. So always double check your work though. So check for revise or edit. Make sure you have some transition words in there. And if y'all have any questions, reach out, but go ahead and then go to your slide. Oops. So go ahead and go to your slides. Slide 9. Double check your work that you have done all that for arms and cups. And then you may go ahead and submit when you are done. Go back to classroom, guys. If you are done and you've checked it, go ahead and hit that blue button and turn it in. So if you have any questions, reach out.